Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy space ID token on Binance Launchpad. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell. You have to come this button over here, press more, and you scroll down to this section and you press Launchpad. After pressing Launchpad, you can see the token says over here. This token says in preparation period. So in 4 days, 21 hour 36 minutes, this token will be available for you to subscribe. I'm just going to press this icon over here, this space ID, and preparation period, space ID, type subscription. I'm going to press this. So preparation period, Binance calculates your BNB balance. In this period, they will know how much you are holding for you to be able to commit amount of BNB on this token sales. So you have to have BNB in your account in this period of preparation. Then you subscribe period, you commit your BNB on this token sales. Then they will calculate your reward, the allocation you are able to buy. Then Binance will announce the results. So make sure you click this to see the full details. After seeing this, the token price is one ID, space ID is $0.025. So at cap per person, you can buy 15,000 worth of this coin if you have a lot of money, and the single investment you can make is 0.1 BNB. So token offer, the token they are willing to sell in this token says this is the token, and you'll be able to read all this on this platform. If you don't have Binance account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description, so you'll be able to create account with Binance. Right now, this is the subscription timeline. Binance holding calculation period. So to participate, your daily average Binance holding across various accounts will be till more than details. If you want to know more, you'll be able to press here, then you'll be able to find more details. You see, you need to verify your Binance account after you use the link in the video description to create an account with Binance already. If you have, then you just have to verify your account, and Binance will be calculating your daily holding average. So this is in calculating period right now, and after you hold this BNB for the preparation period, you remember they have 4 days and 12 hour and 35 minutes left now for you to be able. You can still participate in this token sale, so you have decent amount of holding average if you have this BNB on your Binance account. So only Binance in your spot wallet can be used during this subscription period. Minimum amount is 0.1 BNB. Minimum amount in your available BNB balance. Holding details will be updated at 3:30 each day. So get ready to participate. So subscription period and calculating period and final token distribution. They are going to distribute this token when they launch this on Binance. So you don't need to wait for this token to be released. Maybe you buy this token today, you don't need to wait for 11 weeks or 2 weeks or 10 days. They are going to list this token once they distribute this token to you, and you need to read all this information to know what you are about to invest in. And this is the total supply. The total supply of this token is 2 billion token ID token. The initial circulating supply will be 14.30% of the token supply, and Public token sales prices, I've already said this, and it will be determined by the price of BNB on the subscription period. The token offer is 100 million ID token. That's the token they are willing to sell, offer on this token sale. And ad cap per person, 15,000, will be determined at the pertaining to the price of VNB on the subscription period. And token sale, I said this earlier, no lock up. So you don't have to, they will not lock your token up. So you have access to your token early. You just have to meet this kind of all these you just have to meet all these requirements. Token type, bet20 and ERC20 token distribution after the end of the token sale. So they are going to distribute this token to you after this end of this sale. So doing this, following all this process in this video, you'll be able to make money and you'll be able to participate in this token sales if you have decent amount of money in your BNB holding. Make sure you transfer your BNB to your spot wallet. Don't put it on funding or trading or receiving. You just have to put this on your BNB spot wallet, so they will be able to calculate your holding. So that's what you need to know, and you'll be able to buy this on Binance Launchpad. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell.